Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, the hub for digital entrepreneurs and online moneymakers. Today, we're diving into the world of social media and uncovering the secrets to making money online through platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and more. In this video, I will show you how you can get paid through the use of Instagram but without having any followers to begin with. And this is a bit of a complex strategy with many platforms involved. I recommend you keep watching and stay tuned. Otherwise, this will not work for you. You'll get confused and lost, and you won't know what you need to do. As I said, we have many platforms to go over, so let's get right into it. Now, the first platform that we are going to be using is Instagram.com. So you can either go to Instagram.com or install the app onto your smartphone and create an account. After that, set up a nice profile photo and set up a nice bio. You don't need any links. You will not have any links in your bio because this is not about selling products on your Instagram account or anything like that. You don't need to do affiliate marketing at all. Now I will show you the main platform. The next platform that we are going to be using is called ViralRace.co. This is a place where you can buy Instagram followers instantly. But the good thing about this website is that those followers are not fake. You can buy real and active, engaging followers. You won't be spending money on this website. You won't be investing any money up front with this website. So no investments are needed at all. Don't worry about it. So you need to come over to the Viral Race and then click on Buy Real Followers. Click on that and you'll see this page where it shows the different packages. So as you can see, under 1,000 followers, real users have a high retention rate and engaging users' instant delivery is at 12.99. I will show you exactly how to use those followers to make a lot of money. You can see different rates over here. The more followers you buy, the price is going to be a little bit less. So if you go for the bigger package, you can save a little bit more. But don't worry, you will not be spending your money on this website. If you have $0 in your account, you'll still be able to do this because this will be a unique strategy. So once you've seen this, you can now go to the next platform, which will be important, and that platform will be Fameswap.com. This is over at their website. Now you want to click on the register button in the upper right corner. Here on the following page, they'll ask you to enter in your username and email address password, which you'll also need to confirm, and finally, you'll need to choose your country of origin so you can sign up. And by the way, as you will be able to see yourselves, this is indeed worldwide available. It will work in your country no matter where you are from. To finish the process, click on I'm not a robot, and finally on the register button below. We're not going to be selling our accounts. It's not going to start like that if you don't know what this is. This is a place where social media accounts are for sale. This is a social media marketplace where you can either buy or sell Instagram accounts. Now we're not going to be buying anything, and we're not going to be selling your accounts on Frameswap. But I want to show you that people make quite a bit of money with this website by selling their accounts. Now once again, you're not going to be selling your accounts, and you're not going to be building your account. You're not going to be investing your money. But what you will do is I want to show you something like the corresponding prices of the number of followers on the account. As you can see, if they had 10,000 more followers, they could sell their page for a bigger amount. Now I'm going to show you how you're going to make money and how these guys are making money as well. Now I want to show you something, so if you go over here, you can see that this is not the only one. This is not the only profile that needs your help. If you scroll a little bit down, you can see that there are a lot of different pages of different accounts. New accounts are coming in every single day, so you can do this over and over again. Only on one page you have the potential to get thousands of dollars in one single day. This is a massive potential, so be sure to stick with me if you want to maximize your results. This is the only website where you can sell those accounts. You're doing something like an arbitrage service. So you drop services from the Viral Race website. So you're getting them for the follower from $100. And now you can sell them for like $300 or even $400 up to $500, or maybe you can do it for $200 to sell it easier. It's all up to you, but you're not investing any money up front, and they will pay you. For example, these guys will give you like $300 as an example, and you take their money and go back to Viral Race, buy these followers for $100 and keep $200 as a profit. You don't have to create a website, and you don't have to get those followers yourself or anything like that. Those followers will be instantly delivered to them, and all of you guys are satisfied, which is great. I absolutely love this strategy. Now, how do you sell those services, and why do you need an Instagram account? So you will open up some of these accounts on the social media marketplace in Frameswap.com. Then you will come over here, open up one of these accounts and click on Contact the Seller. You're not selling here, so do not sell here because on this website you would need to pay a lot of money on fees. But what you will do is you will ask these guys what your actual username is. Then you want to take a look at their Instagram account. Once they give you the Instagram account username, simply dim them on Instagram. So that's why you created your profile. Send them a DM and tell them how your services can benefit them and how they can make profits from your services. Don't tell them you're reselling those services from the Viral Race, but tell them that you're providing engaging users. Don't tell them about the Viral Race website. Once they pay you, you can give them your PayPal account. From there, take that money and buy from the Viral Race. Now, to maximize your results, you can also find people who will buy from you on Influencercart.com. This is their website. This is only if you want to maximize your results and make even more money. So if you've already reached out to many people from Frameswap, you can also use the Influencer Cart. This is a place where you can find people that need followers and that need engaging users. If you click on Browse Influencers, that's going to show you that people are selling their shout-outs here at really different rates. But the more followers they have, the more they can sell those followers. They can sell those shout-outs for more money, and they're selling those shout-outs probably every single day. Probably they're even doing it multiple times. So they're already making money, and now you can help them maximize the results. You can help them, and they will keep making more and more money by selling those shout-outs for even more money. So that's how they can benefit from you. So here you even have their usernames. They're not censored or anything like that. You can grab the username, go directly to Instagram, send them a DM, and tell them how they can benefit from your services. Now it's not going to be as powerful as on Frameswap, but you can also find thousands of different accounts over here that need your services. Repeat the process. So you need 5 other accounts from the Frameswap. But you saw that you could reach thousands of accounts that need your help. They will make money from your services. So it's going to be super easy, and once again, you need 5 accounts to make over $1,000. If you want to make even more money, keep reaching out to all of these accounts repeatedly. Now I will show you bonus websites so that you can maximize your earnings. Our bonus website is called MusicSray.com. This is the most reliable website online that rewards you for listening to music first. All you have to do is create an account and listen to music. The cool thing about this website is it's 100% free. The website will do its best to match you with the song you are interested in the most. With this website, they want you to listen to music and that's it. They do not require you to do anything. Once you hit $20, you can request a payout. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button with the notification bell if you don't want to miss our upcoming videos. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.